Good morning to all my awesome followers. It's shout out time, 5 awesome channels I hope you go check out. Here's Susan's channel. It's such a great channel. She's such a great supporter of everyone. I know you will love her. And here's what kind of comment she left me. And she does such a beautiful job. And she doesn't have an overly big channel, so she has time to build a relationship with you, and that's the most important. Getting with the smaller YouTubers means a lot. She has a gardening channel, as you can see, and look at all the unique different kinds of peppers and tomatoes she has on her little farm. I know you're going to enjoy her channel. She does an awesome job on her garden tours like you're seeing here. I just love a good garden tour, we all know. And she has so many beautiful flowers also, and there's a cute little bee came in to enjoy those wonderful flowers in her garden. I love her, and we spend a lot of time talking back with each other because we have time for each other. An awesome channel. Please go over there and give her a check out and see what she's up to. Look at the little bunny in her yard. I just love all the cute little garden tours she does on her channel. And here is another one of my very favorite channels, Mc Turtheson. Oh my gosh, I love this channel so much. I watch it all the time, and he leaves me such awesome comments, as you can see by the comment section. But best of all about this channel, I know it sounds crazy, Grandma, not a big turtle lover, but she does love this channel, and it's so funny and so cute. Here is Tina talking about her shed war entry on her tomatoes. It will get you laughing. And here is Tina getting married. Oh my gosh, the wedding of the century. I watched this video like 3 different times. It was so funny. At least it was funny to me. In this time of trial and tribulation, you need a channel that has some funny content. And this one definitely has that. I love it. And here she comes. And there's her groom. Oh my gosh. Is it not great watching what goes on in these wonderful videos? I just love all these awesome creators. I hope you go check them out and see all the things they have on their channels. It makes me put a smile on my face watching this series here, though. I watch it all the time, and there's always something funny he brings up. And he does such an awesome job putting his wonderful videos together. Please go check him out. And then we have over here at, I'm not even going to pronounce the name correctly, Backyard Farm. She puts up so many videos. I don't know how she finds times for it. She doesn't leave me very large comments, as you can see by this comment. They're pretty short, but she's got about almost 8,000 followers, so I guess she doesn't have a lot of time. But she puts up so much content. I thought I put a lot up. She puts up probably 2 or 3 a day, and she does it all the time, consistently. But she does have a great channel, and she does have a lot of different content. She does a lot of yarn and crocheting things on her channel. Does a lot of gardening. She's got chickens and talks about them and all different kinds of things to do with preparing food and taking care of the animals, and all kinds of great tips on growing things. So if you like gardening, this is a great channel to go. If you like knitting and crocheting, you might like her channel too. And I have never had one of these plants, elderberries, but she did explain a lot about them, and it's making me want to go and get one. So that's the great thing about this channel. She has a big variety of things. And here's one of her little yarn projects, and this was a scarecrow, if you can believe it. Fall, autumn scarecrow. And here's some of her chickens. But, you know, Grandma always likes a good homestead or garden channel. And this one is a good one. Then we have another garden channel. She's sort of new. She has 120 followers, so please go check her out. I'm sure she'll make plenty of time for you if you want to go over there and start following her and get some great gardening tips. This is Lovelady Garden Project and more. And she does a lot of different things in hers. And she comes on and leaves me nice, sweet comments too, like you can see. And this is another great channel to maybe think about going and checking out. She does put a lot of different content up, so she's pretty consistent. And it's about her garden. I love about her garden is that she gives great tips and ideas, but she puts everything so colorful, as you can tell by these videos. And go over there, check out her channel. Another awesome channel. I really do love it, and I know you're going to love her too. I'm trying to help as many of these smaller YouTubers start getting a following, so please go over there. Look at all these beautiful raised beds she has and how she puts them together. And you don't have to have a lot of money to do gardening. And like, she's going to show you a lot of low maintenance ways to build up a nice food garden and get a large production without spending a ton of money. And she is a great explaining everything about gardening with you. I really love her channel, and I hope you go check her out. And you will not be sorry you did. And then I am going to talk about home fairy gardens. Oh my gosh, you know how much Grandma loves fairy gardens. We've been following each other for about a year or two, and she has a lot of variety on her channel too. She's got some birds that you get to see and enjoy, and her comments are very low and small too. But we do consistently check each other's channels out, and she does have enough variety for me. And I love seeing all about her birds, and they're so pretty. And she does a great job in her garden, and I always enjoy looking at all the low-cost plants that she puts in, and shows you how to do all kinds of creative things with containers to make them look beautiful and colorful in the garden. Because you know, gardening is something Grandma loves. And here's one of those projects that she painted and made it look really nice, didn't she? She does an awesome good job with everything she does. I really do enjoy her channel. And she has such beautiful plants, and everything is so colorful in there. And then she does DIY projects too. Here's one just to give you an idea what she does. But these DIY projects will be going out to her garden for the fairy garden. Look at how pretty it turned out, didn't it? You know, fairy garden lovers, you know me, I'm always looking for more. If any of you are out there, fairy garden lovers, please get a hold of Grandma. And look at these beautiful, unique, recycled containers that she fixed for her garden to make it look prettier without spending a lot of money. That's what I love about her channel. She always has so many creative DIY projects on her channel to show you all kinds of things you can do that don't cost you a lot of money and still have an awesome yard. Hope you like these 5